Hi, I'm Daniel, founder and CEO of Nexus. I'm excited to share what's coming next as we continue to deliver on our mission of enabling the verifiable internet. A new internet is only possible if we create a new kind of supercomputer, the most powerful one ever. That's why we're building the Nexus Layer 1, a planetary scale supercomputer. Operating at an unprecedented scale, the Nexus Layer 1 will concentrate all the world's compute power into a single blockchain, and then condense the entire internet into a single proof. The blockchain we're building is designed for mass adoption, ultra-high performance, and global commerce, a true world computer. As we continue to grow, we need your help. We think of Nexus as an operating system that makes it possible to build and run world-scale applications. We want these applications to be global, indestructible, and ultra-performant. We are building an internet that operates on the bedrock of verifiability, an internet that will enable new kinds of global commerce and collaboration. Powerful business interactions will become a reality. The combination of the Nexus CKVM, the Nexus Supercomputer Network, and now the Nexus Layer 1 enables us to build something that was impossible before, a world operating system. One of the biggest innovations of the Nexus Layer 1 is that the network becomes more powerful with every new node that joins. Thanks to the hyper-parallel nature of the system, the compute power of the network increases with every single connected node. This means that each person makes an impact. Each node you contribute makes an impact. We envision an infinite ecosystem of applications, including Layer 2s, Layer 3s, Layer 4s, and more, designed to take advantage of this new type of highly performant parallelized L1. This will all be condensed into a single universal proof. We call this the proof singularity. The creation of the Nexus Layer 1 isn't an endpoint. It's a starting point. We look forward to sharing the rest of our roadmap about what we're building soon, and to watch with you as the many networks that will become part of the Nexus ecosystem begin to launch and flourish. For now, join us and learn more about how to contribute to this mission. Connect at nexus.xyz.